Stop tolerating disrespect because you don't want to lose people. You have to be careful because it can affect you more. You are tolerating disrespect. What? It's better to lose that person, to lose your friends, to lose your partner. You can find a person who respects you than a person who disrespects you. Because other people, guys, they don't care. Maybe they think they are very special because sometimes you show them that they are important in your life. They are very special. Other people, they can take it for granted or something. So stop tolerating disrespect. Sometimes you have to take care of your health because your health comes first. Other people are losing weight, especially in relationships, because even your relatives, they can ask you that, why are you losing weight? Because before you are with that person, you have got a good health, but now they see you that you are losing weight because of the person you have in life. You are afraid to lose that person, and you are tolerating disrespect of your partner. Sometimes your partner insults you, ignores you. Even to ignore a person, sometimes I called you, most of the time maybe you respond at time or what. It's disrespect sometimes. So sometimes, guys, stop tolerating disrespect because you don't want to lose people. Even in friendship, when you saw that these things are happening, sometimes your friends are disrespecting you or mocking you. Sometimes it's better to lose them than to lose yourself. You are losing your health. You don't have a good health because of those people. You know that health is not about food only. To stay with people who respect you, who making you comfortable, even in relationship, you can have very good health